We understand the value of your investment in your vehicle. Routine servicing is the key to ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliable for the long haul. Our service guide is designed to highlight the top services your vehicle needs and the recommended frequency to keep it in optimal condition. Routine maintenance ensures that all vehicle components are working at their best, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency. Regular checks and servicing identify potential issues before they become major problems, keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. Just as you visit the doctor for checkups, your vehicle needs regular attention to extend its lifespan and reduce the risk of breakdowns. You should change your oil between 3,000 to 5,000 miles between your last oil service. Regular oil changes prevent engine wear, reduce friction, and maintain overall engine health. Tire rotation and balancing ensures even tire wear, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced vehicle stability. Your tires need to be rotated and balanced every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Regular brake checks prevent brake system failure, ensuring the ability to stop safely. Maintaining proper fluid levels and replacing old fluids protects vital components from damage. Checking on your fluid and flushes varies by fluid type, whether it's transmission, coolant, power steering, etc. Your brakes as well as your fluids should be inspected every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. An air filter replacement improves your engine efficiency and fuel economy. You need to replace your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Last but not least, regular checks on your battery prevent unexpected battery failures, ensuring reliable starts. Your battery should be inspected every 12,000 to 18,000 miles. We're committed to providing top-notch service to keep your vehicle running smoothly with our skilled technicians, state-of-the-art equipment, and genuine parts to ensure your vehicle receives the care it deserves. Don't delay until your vehicle shows signs of trouble. Schedule regular servicing today and enjoy the peace of mind of a well-maintained vehicle.